Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to today's video where we're about to bust some myths and dive into the world of making money. I've got a treasure trove of passive income ideas that could change the game for you. So grab your notepad because you're in for a treat. But first, let me share something that'll get your engines revving. These days, I'm raking in around $30,000 to $40,000 monthly. And we're gearing up to hit a whopping $50,000 USD per month by the end of the year. Hold on tight because the era of thinking you need a fancy degree for big money is long gone. First things first, let's clear up what passive income really is. It's not about lounging while money rains down. Think of it as planting seeds that grow into income trees. You put in work up front, or set up a system, and then watch the cash flow in over time with minimal effort. Got it? Great. Passive income idea 1. Stock market investing. If you're tired of parking your money in a bank and watching it collect dust, listen up. Invest in stocks, get potential high returns, and let your money grow while you sip your coffee. Passive income idea 2. Affiliate programs. Imagine getting paid for recommending products. Join affiliate programs like Amazon's and share special links. When someone clicks and buys, cha-ching, just be ready to put in some groundwork to attract those buyers. Passive income idea 3. Digital products. If you're a creator, this is your stage. Design digital products like templates, ebooks, or online courses. Once you've crafted your masterpiece, sit back while it continues to make you money. Passive income idea 4. YouTube. Want to become a star of the small screen? Create engaging videos, gather subscribers, and watch ad revenue roll in. Yes, it takes time, but it's like planting a content tree that keeps on giving. Passive income idea 5. Membership platforms. Build a loyal community by offering exclusive content, coaching, or perks. They pay a membership fee, you provide ongoing value, and voila, steady income and a devoted tribe. Passive income idea 6 and 7. Instagram and TikTok. Your visuals could earn you more than just likes. Gain followers, attract sponsorships, and use your influence to introduce products or services. Remember, consistency is key. Passive income idea 8. Twitter. Believe it or not, 280 characters can lead to cash. Build a niche audience, share valuable content, and leverage your influence for affiliate sales or even sponsored tweets. Passive income idea 9. Online courses. Got expertise? Share it. Platforms like Skillshare let you teach and earn from students. Plus, you'll learn new skills too. It's a win-win. And there you have it. 9 fantastic ways to get the money flowing while you focus on what matters most to you. Remember, passive income isn't effortless income. It's about smart work up front that pays off in the long run. Keep learning, experimenting, and growing. If you found these ideas valuable, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more money-making insights. Until next time, keep hustling and remember, your financial future is in your hands.